left-hand side of the page, you'll notice that there's an IR institutional research link. So if we click that, it'll take us to the IR page. We scroll down about halfway, we'll see current enrollment dashboards. And this is where you'll find the current enrollment dashboards that we've been working on. It does take a second or two for these to load. But essentially, these dashboards for spring, summer 2020, as well as fall, highlight some general information about CMN enrollment, the total headcount, credits, full-time students, and how many of those total headcount are Native American. Within each of these dashboards or reports, there are arrows that you see here. And if you click on them, a drawer will kind of pop up that gives you more information about that data. For example, on the headcount button, if I click that arrow, you'll see it kind of flushes out here, and we have a further breakdown that shows what the headcount was for the various semesters since 2015. So we can see here in 2015, fall semester, we had 406 students. 2015 spring, 400, and then for summer, we had 121. And you can also filter this data by clicking on these little icons up here. So if you just want to see spring, you click on that and it kind of highlights all the spring for you. So you can kind of look at trends a little bit better. Same thing with fall and summer. If we go over here to credits and click the arrow, again, a drawer will pop open that shows us out of those 1,909 total credits, 1,491 came from Native students on an average of 8.4 credits per student. Documented Indian students down here, you can see that very important 50% target that we always want to be above. And of course, we're way over that, which is great. Again, if you hover and don't click anything, but just hover, it kind of gives you the exact data. Full-time students broken down by full-time, part-time, and also gives you information from previous years. The other two dashboards are really the same. It's just a different term. But one thing you will notice on all of these dashboards is there's an area for you to give us some feedback. So if you go ahead and click that, give us your feedback, it's going to actually bring you to a form that asks you some more questions about your experience with these dashboards. What dashboard were you looking at, right? For the first question, was this useful at all or not so much? What else would you like to know about maybe some current enrollment data that wasn't showcased? And then any other feedback that you might have, we really appreciate if you tell us. Again, our goal here is to provide important, timely, and quality information to all CMN stakeholders. So with this feedback, that helps us to do just that. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this helps you navigate your way through some of these different dashboards and reports that we are creating and will continue to create. And you have a great day.